So we're going to start in parallel. We're just going to do little presses. 1, switch, 2, going through the ball of the foot, 3, and 4. Plie. Rolling up, push over those shoes, straighten up, come down, and reverse it, up. Push over those shoes, feel that arch, rolling down, 3 and 4. 2 more little presses, 1 and 2, turning out to first, and 4. Then we're going to do plie, rolling up, press over the shoes, straighten up, rolling down, and up, reverse it. Over the shoes, rolling through demi-pointe, and up. Plie, releve, plie, releve. Little balance, arms off the bar, rolling down, same thing in second. So, plie, rolling over those shoes, feel that arch stretch, come down, reverse it, up, press over the shoes, demi-pointe, come down. Then 2 plie, releve, 3 and 4, a little balance, rolling down, and finish. Okay, so 4 presses, roll it up, reverse it, 2 more presses to first. Then both in first and second, we do plie, roll over those shoes, up, reverse it over the shoes, and then 2 plie, releve, and balance. 7 and 8, really through those feet. 1, pressing, 2, and 3. Good, now really hit your demi-pointe on this plie, push those shoes over. Good, and straighten up. Try and leave the arch the way it is. Good, up, press over those shoes. Good, through the demi-pointe, weight in the balls of the feet. 2 more little presses, 1 and 2, back to first, and 8. Plie, rolling up, 1, press over, feel that arch stretch as you straighten up. Good, rolling down, reverse, up, plie over, through the demi-pointe, heels together, plie, releve twice, through the demi-pointe, 3 and 4, little balance, up, 6, good, rolling down, tendu second, and 8, plie, rolling up, push over those shoes, arch. Now try and leave that arch where it is. Good, and up, press over those shoes, really feel that demi-pointe, and stretch. 2 more plie, releve, straight up, 3 and 4, balancing, 5, 6, good, rolling down, and finish in first. Good. All right, guys, so let's keep in with this theme and keeping that shape of our foot. So let's do tendu front, push over that shoe, feel that arch, heel forward, 3 and 4, and then 2 tendus, 5, little toe back, 6 and 7 and 8. Same thing side. Tendu. Push it over. Now keep that arch. Almost feel that arch staying where it is as you straighten. Back in through the demi-pointe, out and in and out and in. Same thing back. Tendu. As you tendu back in a pointe shoe, make sure we don't go back like this. Yeah. Heel stays down. 3 and 4. Tendu back. And 6 and 7 and 8, and then same thing side, push, and then 2 tendus, yeah? Right foot, and then left foot, and then we'll rise up after that plie, another little push over the arches, just getting used to balancing in pointe shoes in first position, okay? So tendu push, tendu first, 2 tendus. 6, lift it up, 7, don't roll on those arches, and tendu. Push, heel forward, 3, little toes back as you tendu, through the foot, out, and in, and out, and in. Same thing side, 1. Push over the arch, now leave the arch, 3 and 4. Tendu, first, tendu, and first to the back, and 1. heel down, leave the foot, 3 and 4, onto your back, good, last time, side, and 1, 2, 3, good, lift it up, don't sink, try not to grip the bar either, make sure you're nice and lifted, good, let's do the left side, Tendu, 1, heel is forward, now keep that shape, 3, little toes back, lifting tall and supporting leg, good, and side, 1, push, now leave the arch, 3 and 4, and side, good, same thing back, and 1, push, leave it, good, now little toe, same thing, heels down, 2, last time, to the side, and 1, push, good, 3 and 4, good, now we're going to rise and balance again, so, plie, over those arches, rising up, and balance, good, open the arms, try not to take the bar as you lower, and finish, good. Okay guys, so we're going to do another little releve to work on your demi-pointe. So same thing in first and second. We're going to do 4 plie releve, 1 and 2, a little quicker, 3 and 4, rolling through, 6, 7 and 8. Now releve with straight leg 4 times, don't plie, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now just the toes, so high demi-pointe, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Balance again, getting into your balance. Do this a lot. Lower, 6, tendu, second, and 8. Exactly the same thing. So 4 plie releve, 1 and 2, about this speed. 3, make sure you're rolling through. 4, now straight leg. This is hard. Try not to use the bar on this. 6, 7, 8, then just the toes. 1 and up, 2, 3, 4, little balance, good, back to first, yeah? So 4 plie releve, 4 straight leg releve, 4 little demi-pointe toes, and a balance. And on these demi-pointe toes, guys, you don't want to lower. Think of keeping your heel exactly where it is, and just demi-pointe. See the difference to that? Yeah, leave the heel where it is, just demi-pointe. That's that point strength, all this stuff that you need. Here we go. 6, 7, plie releve. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Stay lifting up. Now rolling through, straight leg. Good. Just demi-pointe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Balance. Excellent. Second position, exactly the same thing. Plie. Plie. Good. Energy in those heels, yeah, rolling through, rolling through. Good. Just the toes, high heels. 2, 3, 4. Good, balancing. Good. And finish.